Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Honda CBR1000RR. This superbike just arrived with only 22,000 miles. Beautiful matte gray finish, smoke windscreen, frame sliders, fender eliminator. Come on by, make your superbike dreams come true with this awesome Honda CBR 1000 2016 model, only $10,999. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.